Coyotes are fascinating creatures that roam the North and Central American landscapes. They belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and domestic dogs. Coyotes are known for their adaptability, surviving in various habitats, from deserts to forests. Their body is slender and agile, with a bushy tail and pointed, erect ears. They usually weigh between 30 to 50 pounds. Coyotes are omnivores, eating a diet primarily composed of small mammals, fruits, and insects. One interesting fact is that coyotes can run at speeds up to 40 miles per hour, making them powerful hunters. Coyotes are also known for their intelligence. They can solve complex problems and use tools, demonstrating a level of intelligence not typically associated with wild animals. Coyotes play a crucial role in ecosystems by controlling rodent populations and scavenging carcasses, helping to maintain balance in the wild. However, their adaptability has led them to encroach on human habitats, which can sometimes lead to conflicts. In some areas, coyotes have become urban dwellers, surviving in cities and suburbs. But don't be fooled, these creatures are still wild and should be treated with respect. Coyotes have been part of North American culture for thousands of years, appearing in Native American folklore and modern media. They are a symbol of the wild and resilient spirit of North America. So, next time you see a coyote, remember, you're looking at a survivor, a problem solver, and a part of the natural world's resilience.